From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Elliott here with the short-term forecast and video discussion issued on Monday, August 4th. Well, after a brutally hot and stifling July, full of showers and heavy drenching thunderstorms, the weather has turned much more pleasant, drier, and brighter here for the first couple of days of August. And I do have some good news. It looks like the dry weather is going to stick around through much, if not all, of this week. And there won't be a return of 90-degree heat or 70-degree dew points anytime soon. So without further ado, let me start by taking a look at our daily climatology. I'm expecting a high of 85 degrees this afternoon at Millersville, and that's right about normal for this time of the year. This morning's low of 58 was 6 degrees below our average low of 64. Today's record high of 100 was set in 1930, with a record low of 49 set in 1919. Taking a look at the sky cam from the John Wright restaurant, looking east across the Susquehanna River into Lancaster County. Well, if you really don't see a cloud in the sky, there will be a few high-level cirrus clouds streaming across the sky this afternoon, as you can see on the visible satellite imagery. But overall, it's going to be a mostly sunny and pleasantly warm afternoon with highs in the mid-80s. As we take a look at the European model for 8 p.m. this evening, you'll notice this large, sprawling high-pressure system centered over southeastern Canada and the northeastern United States. Well, the good news is that high-pressure system is not going to be going anywhere through the middle of the week. In fact, by Tuesday afternoon, it's going to slide farther south and east, and it will be centered still over southeastern Canada. And then by Wednesday, guess what? It really hasn't moved much at all. Still centered over southeastern Canada and northern New England, but the good news is it's going to exert its influence down the eastern slopes of the Appalachians into the mid-Atlantic states. On its southern and southwestern peripheries, winds will turn east to southeasterly during the middle of the week, so there will be a slight enhancement in cloud cover the next 2 afternoons, but overall, we're going to have beautiful conditions for outdoor activities through Wednesday. There may be a stray shower near the Mason-Dixon line late Wednesday afternoon, but by and large, most areas should remain dry. So taking a look at the short-term Campus Weather Service forecast, mainly clear and comfortable tonight, low 62. Seasonably warm on Tuesday with sunshine filtered through high clouds, high 86. Still quite nice on Wednesday with a mix of clouds and sun, high 82. And more good news, humidity is going to remain low through the middle of the week, with dew points generally in the upper 50s to low 60s, and comfortable nights as well with lows in the low to mid 60s. Well, that'll do it for this edition of the short-term forecast. Tune back in 2 weeks for the latest edition. Until then, enjoy the sunshine, dry, and beautiful conditions out there this week.